Question 4 would be the last question I'm going to teach you. As like I said, would have been classwork, what I would have done in class, hopefully. And question 4 then
Mama?
is to construct the triangle ABC with angle A 70 degrees, B 55 degrees. And then they said you may use a protractor, of course. But they don't give you a side measurement, which means make up your own side measurement. And this is the reason why I'm doing this with you. Because what we would have done in class to do this is you would have compared, as you can see in question B and C, what the size of your friend next to yours triangle is. So I'm going to start off my measurement, and you guys can do it at any measurement, but I'm just going to draw the measurement of 5 centimeters. So boring, but anyway. So we write in here 50 millimeters. This is then angle A, and this is angle B. And we're going to measure a 70-degree angle from A. So we make sure our midpoint is at A and our line is onto the line segment that we've drawn. So from here, 0 up until 70, we make a dot and we make sure our line goes through there. Since we don't know what the measurement's going to be, we're just working with 2 angles. We just need 2 angles. We just draw a light line. Now B is 55 degrees, so make sure your midpoint is at B. And now you're going to make from 0. Now see 0 is at the outside. Josh, shh. And we measure 0 to 55, 50 over there on the outside, and 5 more. So now we just make sure our ruler goes from B through that point, and we make sure our line goes through the other line of AC. And so that is the vertex C. And I'm just going to make the lines darker for my actual drawing in the end of the day that I would want to be marked. And so let's write in 70 degrees and 55 degrees here. And that's all there is to it, really. So how big is angle C? We can measure it. Angle C is 55 degrees as well. Okay, so question B, angle C is 55 degrees. Why? Okay, and is your friend's angle C the same size? And it should be. Everyone's angle C should be the same size, regardless of what the side measurements are, because we have the same angles. And the interior angles of or the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, for any triangle that is, mine or yours or whoever's, would add up to 180. So the one angle that's missing here should be the same. So it would be the same size. Number C, compare your figure with that of your friend. Have you drawn identical triangles? And you would not have. If you started with different measurements for AB, then your measurements for AC and BC would be different. Sorry, guys. Because what did we learn about last year? What we work with here then would be, since all the angles are the same, but the sides are different measurements, we're working with, sorry people, I had to pause here. Josh got a bit carried away. But yeah, so we're working in the end of the day with similar triangles and not congruent triangles. Identical triangles would have been congruent triangles, exactly the same. Okay. So people, I hope you're all well, and please give me feedback.